to you with a review. This review I am excited about because for a while I have been trying to collab with this company. So this company today that I am doing a review on is called Firmoo. I know y'all have heard great things about this company. I've seen a lot of reviews on this company on the YT. A couple of reviews, a lot of the reviews actually I have seen is from my sister Simply Key and Fam. She does a lot of reviews for this company, and that's what made me interested in collabing with this company. So when they reached out to me and was like, you know, do you want to collab? I'm like, of course. Plus, your girl wanted to try some glasses. I've been wearing contacts for a long time, and I wanted to transition over or have a pair of glasses on hand. It's been years since I've actually had glasses, and the glasses that I used to have, I didn't like them too much because my prescription is kind of strong, so they really were bifocal. I'm just gonna put it out there. So I wasn't feeling them. I definitely wasn't gonna wear them. So I definitely went on the site and I picked out a pair of glasses that I really liked. And they have so many like thousands of glasses to choose from. But Firmoo is running a special. They are running a dollar trial, a friends and family dollar trial, and I will put my link down below in the description so you lovers can go and check out this trial. If you have gotten glasses from Firmoo before, this trial will not work for you. So definitely keep that in mind. But if you are new to Firmoo, you definitely want to go ahead and run on over. If you can't see, and grab you some glasses. If you have your prescription, if you know your prescription, definitely go on ahead and grab you some glasses for $1. The glasses that I picked out were regular price. I want to say 28 bucks, but ended up getting them for $1, y'all. $1. So yeah. And when it's a straight up $1. I'm trying to think as far as shipping. Now, I did pay about $8 when it was all said and done because I wanted my glasses to make it to me quickly. So if you want your glasses to arrive in a timely manner, then you will want to pay just a little bit extra for shipping. It's not big at all what you will have to pay, and I will put all the information in the description box so y'all can, you know, reference that. But I'm going to show you the glasses that I got. So you automatically get a case to keep your glasses in, a nice hard plastic case. Yeah, like this is hard, y'all. Will be hard to break. So when I received my glasses, they came inside of a little baggie, a little drawstring baggie and all that good stuff, nicely wrapped and everything. And then I take them out of here, and you have like a piece of white cardboard there, and then you have your cloth to keep your glasses protected and to clean off the lenses of your glasses as well. So the particular glasses that I picked up, I will link them in the description box as well in case you lovers are interested in the style that I have. But this is the cloth, and it has the company logo. It says your preferred online eyewear store, one-on-one service, save up to 90%. It has the company's email, and it also has the company's website, which is awesome because if you need to reach them, if you have any concerns about maybe pricing, shipping, coupon errors, or anything like that, you can contact them right here at this email, and then this is the actual website where you can go. So here are the glasses that I got. These ones, they are a tad bit, just a very tad, bit thick. Excuse, I can't even get my words out. But they are a tad bit, just a tiny thick, and which I already knew because like I said, my prescription. But in comparison to the ones that I used to have, these are 1000% better than the ones that I got here in the States. So yeah, but they look like this. And they are trimmed in like gold with the clear lens. This is the style that I wanted. And I'm definitely going to go back because they had these glasses in other colors as well. So I will be going back on the site and grabbing some more colors. So yeah, and if I'm looking crazy, it's because I have my contacts in, y'all. So yeah, but these are what they look like. I love them. I think they are so pretty. So this is what they look like on me. So like I said, they come in, I want to say 3 or 4 other colors besides the gold and the clear. And they were very, very reasonably priced on the site. But like I said, if you click the link down below in the description, you can get yours for only $1. Now, the coupon is only good for single prescription lenses. And anything else, like if you want tint to your lenses, if you, depending on the strength, Negroid, depending on the strength of your prescription, if it's like super duper bifocal, then you will, to kind of like camouflage that bifocalness, if that's a word, but to kind of camouflage that, you will have to pay just a little extra. It's not, they're not expensive at all, bottom line. So yeah, but these are what my glasses look like, and I love them. Like I said, it's a big difference compared to the ones that I used to have that I got from a past eyeglass place. So yeah, I am going to like just put a little demonstration in this video on how you can locate your glasses, the different styles of glasses that they have, and the steps that you have to take to use this coupon. You will have to verify that you are human on the website, and they only recommend 1 pair per family. If you get caught purchasing multiple pairs, then they will ban you from the website. So definitely keep that in mind. But I'm going to link everything down below in the description box, and I'm just going to go ahead and close out this video and just show you how to navigate through the website and to apply your coupon and all that good stuff. So definitely check below. Give this video a big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Hey loves, so Firmoo is having this Firmoo dollar trial, and like I said in the beginning, I wanted to come and show you all about what to do on the site. So they want you to confirm that you are a real person. Once you confirm this, you will have to enter your telephone number, and they will send you your own personal code that you will use to knock the price down to $1 on your glasses. As you can see, it does say $1 for 1 pair of prescription glasses with 1.50 single lens or single prescription. So I did have 2 different prescriptions as far as my site is concerned. A 5 in one eye and then like a 475 in the other. So it did still allow me to knock it down to $1. So you should be just fine. The glasses that I showed you, these are the glasses that I have here. Item number S985X, and they retail for $27.99. And you're going to put in the personal coupon code that you get text to your phone when you go to check out. Now, it does not cover if you want to, I think as far as getting color, you know, so the sun won't bother your eyes, getting tint in your lenses. It does not cover that. The glasses that I'm scrolling and showing you now, these are the selection of glasses that your coupon code will cover. And as I stressed in the beginning, if you have received a pair before from Firmoo Optical, you cannot use this coupon code. It will not work at all. If you try to get multiple pairs, then you will, I think I'm almost sure you will be banned from the site. So here, once you've added your glasses to your cart and ready to check out, here's where you will put in your prescription. If you have a picture of your prescription, you can upload it to the site as well. As far as measurements between both eyes, because I did have a prescription that did not detail that, you can look online to see how to measure between your eyes. So yeah, all information is going to be down below in the description box. Y'all go check out this amazing deal from Firmoo Optical. Thank you so much, Firmoo, for sponsoring this video. Hope you all enjoyed it, and check them out, y'all, for those dollar glasses.